Oh, beard looks all messed up in this. What? We're on the air? Oh, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. As you see here, we're going to do an oil change today. I went with Rotella T5. It's a 15W40 synthetic. I did a lot of research and a lot of people go with different stuff, but it's all personal preference. I went with that because I feel like you get what you pay for, and it was a little bit more expensive. And most of the forums that I looked at, most people use the Rotella instead of anything else. And I went with the ACDelco oil filter. I usually go anything ACDelco when it comes to Chevy parts. So we're going to start by draining the fluid. I'm going to start the truck up and get it warm. That way the fluids will drain a little bit faster. And then we'll start by putting the oil filter on and refilling the oil. Alright, that is my oil pressure before the oil change. We'll see what it's like after. Alright, we're going to take this engine oil cap off to make it flow a little better. Alright. Well, that didn't come off that easy. Had to get a breaker bar. But now we're going to drain. And it's still draining. We're up to about right here. These diesels hold 2.5 gallons or 10 quarts of oil. Okay, so this thing's been draining for about 10 minutes. It's still coming out, but we're going to go ahead and take this fuel filter off now. Should be hand tight, but if it's as tight as the drain plug was, it's going to be a pain. Oh my God, it's tight. Well, we had to get a little oil filter wrench because it's way too tight. Now, the oil filter's loose. one thing that's nice about this truck is I don't have to jack it up to change the oil or work on it underneath. That makes it pretty nice. I can just sit back and wait for that oil to drain. Oh crap, I got oil in my hair. Damn it. Oil filter. Put a little bit of fresh oil around this seal. Put it all around there. Kind of hard doing this. One hand holding the camera, one hand putting the oil on there. So I've filled the oil filter about halfway full of oil. Now I'm going to put it back on. Spilled a little bit, but that's all right. Should only be about hand tight. You can go a little tighter, but as you can see, I had a heck of a time getting it off of there. Wipe off the excess oil. Check for any leaks. Give it one last little twist. All right, now we're going to put the drain plug back in. All right, now we're ready to fill her back up. I'm not gonna put all this oil in there. I'm gonna wait, check the level, and then decide if I need to put more in or not. And once again, I'm using Rotella T5 synthetic blend. It's all personal preference, I believe. I've always known Mobil 1 to be pretty good, but it was like the cheapest oil for diesel, so I really didn't want to use that. Everybody says that this is pretty much the bomb.com, so that's what I went with. Alright, now we're going to check the oil level. Wipe this old off. were low, so I'm going to add the rest to it. Now check the oil again. Once again, wipe off what's on there. This time it looks like we're perfectly full. Cap back on. Alright, so we got the oil changed. I'm going to go drive it around a little bit. We're going to check that oil pressure, see if it's any better. And I think that's going to do it for the vlog, so have a good day. So this is my oil pressure now, much better. I need to reset the oil life. And we're good to go.